Hello, my name's Sue Rhodes and I have designed this Japanese folded cushion. Now I'm sure that you're all familiar with Japanese folded technique, but I have altered it a little bit in as much as the blocks are much larger than normal, and I have pieced the fabric before I made the blocks. Once you've made the four, I hem down this edge with either an invisible thread or a thread that matches, and then I add quilting on the top, and then the outer cushion cover simply goes over the top and is tied into place to make a bit of a different and very pretty project.